Hi, my name is Alan Lau. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Wattpad, and I got my bachelor and master degree electrical engineering from U of T. Early in my career, I worked for a startup company, and I learned how to become an entrepreneur. After working there for a few years, I started my first company, and then I started my second one, and then eventually I started my third one, which is Wattpad. Wattpad is a global multi-platform entertainment company. We have an app that lets people discover and share stories from science fiction to romance and everything in between. We have over 90 million monthly users using the app. And then we leverage the data and insights and take the best stories on our platform and turn them into TV shows, movies, print books, and other forms. I have been a strong advocate for the Canadian tech ecosystem and the Toronto tech ecosystem for a very long time. We helped build one of the most vibrant tech ecosystems in the world, and that's a big part of my contribution to the society. If I weren't for school, I wouldn't have the foundation that shaped me to become where I am today. While the education part was very, very important, the skills that I learned to problem solve, the skill that I learned to overcome different challenges, that skill is very transferable, and I can use it in multiple domains, and I still benefit from that learning even today. I'm truly humbled and honored to be selected and joining so many distinguished alumni who have made great contributions in so many different areas.